Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a zero carb bread. It's delicious, it's simple, makes you feel like you're not cheating, but you're still having a good meal with it. Let's get to those ingredients and I'll show you how to get that started. 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of non-fat plain Greek yogurt. Okay, so we're going to begin by separating our eggs into 2 different bowls. If you have an egg separator, this will help you out a lot. You'll be placing your egg yolks in one bowl and then putting your whites in another. Okay, so now that your eggs are separated, go ahead and drop in your baking powder and your egg whites, and then you'll be adding your yogurt to your egg yolks. Alright, next you can add some salt to your egg yolk if you like. It's just going to add a little more flavor. Now you want to grab a whisk and go ahead and mix it up together. Go ahead and grab a mixer for your egg whites. You're going to mix it together on slow speed and gradually move up to high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes. Do this until you get fluffy white peaks. Okay, so now once you have your egg whites are all mixed and they look like nice fluffy peaks, then you've whisked together your egg yolk with the yogurt, put a little salt in it for flavor. You're going to grab a baking sheet and then make sure to grab some parchment paper. This is important to have, otherwise it will burn when you're putting it in the oven. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start spooning them together, mixing it while I fold it in slowly, and then I'm going to drop them into 6 little different individual buns we're going to create. Okay? I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, so now we are going to slowly add our yolks into our egg whites, and you will gently fold them together. All right, so now that it is all mixed together, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make about 6 even little drops. Just going to do about 1 spoonful at a time so that way you can get even measurements. Just plop one right there. You want to make sure it stays nice and full, that it doesn't get flattened out, otherwise they're going to flatten out and smear when they're cooking. You want them to stay fluffy. So don't have them too close together. So that's our 3. And we'll go right here. 5, and then 6. So those look all about even. And then go back around with the second amount. Okay, so those look good. They're nice and spread out evenly. I've had my oven preheating at 450, so I'm going to go ahead and drop these in. You can run your timer between 11 and 12 minutes, just depending on how hot your oven gets. Check it at 11 if it needs a little bit longer. Just want to make sure that underneath is nice and cooked. See you back in 12. Yay, these look great. Can you guys see these? All right, I'm going to let these cool for a few minutes before I touch them. All right, so there you have it, guys, my zero carb bread. See, you can still enjoy, make yourself a nice sandwich. You don't feel like you're missing out. You don't feel like you're cheating. It's not that boring old just protein lettuce wrap. This is a great way to still have all the nice, delicious lunch meats and sandwiches you love to have. I recommend, when you're not using it, store it in a plastic bag or container in the fridge. And then once you're ready to use it, pop it in the toaster for about a minute or 2 and it'll bring it back to that nice crispy texture that you get right out of the oven. So you know what else? These are really good, not just your sandwiches, but you can make breakfast sandwiches. My kids love them. We put egg, sausage, melt some cheese on it, tuna sandwiches, Hamburgers. These are awesome with hamburgers because it holds everything that a bun would hold. You guys are gonna really love it. It just makes your life a lot more simple, and you're enjoying it and still having everything that you love to eat. So please, once you're on my channel, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Also, head over to Facebook and Instagram and check out the Jen and Gina show. Go ahead and if you take pictures and you guys make this, tag us, leave comments, tell me what you think. Share this with your friends and family. We can use all the love and support. Don't forget to check out my next video. See you guys soon.